Why these six sounds? These sounds are the particular sounds that occur at particular speech frequencies. This sound is at center of the speech range. This sound has low frequency information. This sound has some low frequency information and some high frequency information. This is a very low frequency sound, and if your child can't hear this sound, it is likely they will not have sufficient low frequency information to develop speech with normal tone. This sound has very high frequency speech range. This sound has moderately high frequency speech range. What is the Lingsix sound test? This test was developed as a quick and easy test that parents and professionals can use to check their child has access to the minimal amount of sound required to hear, understand, and learn speech. This test checks that your child can detect and identify what the sounds are across the different speech frequencies. It also checks that your child's entire auditory system is working correctly from the sound processor microphone to their brain. Ah, good. Good job. E, E, good. Good job. O, very good. Hmm, no. Hmm, good. Shh, excellent. Excellent. Give a high five. Good job.